How to use Freeform on Mac step-by-step tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Freeform on your Mac for brainstorming, planning, and collaborating with others. First, open the Freeform app from your Applications folder or by using Spotlight Search. Click New Board to create a blank canvas. You can click anywhere on the board to start adding text using the text box tool, or use the toolbar to insert sticky notes, shapes, photos, videos, documents, links, drawings, draggings. To organize your content, simply drag and resize items anywhere on the infinite canvas. If you want to collaborate, click the Share button in the top right corner and invite others using messages, mail, or a sharing link. Everyone you invite can work on the board in real time, making it perfect for team projects or brainstorming sessions. Once you're finished, your board is automatically saved and synced with iCloud, so you can access it from your other Apple devices signed in with the same Apple account. And that's how to use Freeform on your Mac. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials.